have a considerable amount of cellular cementum. I mean, it's really good. The other one is a section showing incremental lines in acellular cementum. And we'll show that slide again next week because there's also some cementicals on that slide. So we'll look at that when we do the PDL. So look at both ground sections and also demineralized sections today for the cementum. And of course, look at more than one slide. And right here, there is the edge of the enamel, so we have a little bit of overlapping cementum. That's mostly the case that we'll see. So we're coming down to the acellular cementum, and let's go down here a little ways. You can just barely make out some incremental lines in this ground section. And some of it is flaked off here. And we pick it up again right here. This layer out there, that's just some of the dried up PDL that did not get scraped off of the tooth. There's Tome's granular layer. And as we follow this down to the apex of the tooth, these cracks are artifactual. Then we start picking up some lacunae. And so by the time we get down here, we're in the cellular cementum. So we can see the lacunae, we can see incremental lines. And we can see some empty lacunae. In fact, probably all of these are empty. But you can see that those canaliculi are being directed towards the position of the PDL. Okay, so more cellular cementum. And we're running out of tooth here. So let's take a look at another slide. Yes.
Is there any kind of a clear demarcation between acellular and cellular, or can you only tell because of lacunae there?
If there are lacunae there, then it's cellular. Otherwise, it's acellular. And sometimes cellular cementum will overlie acellular cementum. Okay, well here's another example of the CEJ overlapping. So there we have cementum over the enamel. And at least by definition, once you read the textbooks, that cementum overlying the enamel would be afibrillar cementum. So we have acellular cementum, we have that hyaline layer right above Tome's granular layer. And as we come down towards the apex of the tooth, you can see this is getting thicker or less, and down to more cellular cementum. And that cellular cementum will vary in thickness. In fact, in this case, it looks as though we have a little acellular cementum overlying the cellular cementum. Let's go to the other side of the tooth here. Yeah, well, more cellular cementum. You will see the canaliculi only in the ground sections, not in the demineralized sections. Okay, let's look at the demineralized section.